Hi, my name is Olivia, and I'm the program leader here at Cumberland Falls State Resort Park. Today, I am here with Robert Myers, our state naturalist.
Hello, my name is Robert Myers. I'm the state naturalist for Kentucky State Parks. I'm down here with Olivia. We are here to promote our upcoming cleanup at Cumberland Falls. On Saturday, July 11th, we are going to have a cleanup, and we'll show you why we're having a cleanup here in a minute. But this is one of our jewels of Kentucky State Parks, one of our most wonderful natural resources that you can see in this state. We're known as the Niagara, the South here at Cumberland Falls, and we want to clean it up. So when you come down here, you can just see the natural beauty and not some of this plastic that you're going to see here in a minute. 25 years ago, when I first started my career at Kentucky State Parks, I was a seasonal here at the Falls, and we did a cleanup every year, and that was my first cleanup. They continue that on, and it's much needed. You're going to see some shots of what accumulates below the falls. Any of the trash that is not collected properly will end up washing down your waterways and eventually into Cumberland River. And a lot of it stops here. When water flows over the falls, these large house-sized boulders capture a lot of this wood, a lot of this plastic, tires, you name it. If it floats, it will eventually get down here, and then when you come with your family or your significant other and you want a nice picture down here, your selfie in front of the falls, you don't want to see all this trash. You want to see just the beautiful natural resources of Cumberland Falls and Cumberland River here at Cumberland Falls State Resort Park.
So Robert and I were talking about why is it that all of this debris gets caught down here? The water level isn't that high right now, but it was. And when the water level rises, it brings in the debris, like Robert said, anything that floats. So all those plastic bottles, also all those trees, all of the stuff that accumulates down here floats. And it gets up and gets caught onto these big boulders below the falls. But, like I said, why does the river fluctuate so much? This section of the river is classified as a wild river, and that explains those fluctuations in the water level because it is not dammed. That means the water level rises every time it rains, and every time it's dry, the water level goes down, and the trash that was floating gets left behind where the water level once was.
Cumberland River starts in Park County, Kentucky. From there, all your creeks, your streams flow into Cumberland River. If there's any trash or debris that's not collected correctly, it will flow into that waterway, spill into the river, and a lot of it will accumulate here at the falls. Like Olivia mentioned, we have a lot of spring hard rains that will raise these creeks, eventually raise the river. If any of this trash that is along those banks will be captured and drugged down here to Cumberland Falls. And it will be self-evident once you get a view of this, how much trash that doesn't make it to where it needs to go will end up here. And we just want to pick up as much as we can here, make this the jewel that it is, and we just appreciate your help this coming Saturday. Thank you.
So the cleanup that is happening here on July 11th will start at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. You're going to meet us at the gift shop area right by the falls. We will be handing out gloves and bags to keep you safe. Everybody will also be designated to certain areas to promote social distancing and keep everybody healthy. To pre-register for this event, because we want to know how many people are coming so we will be prepared with the supplies for you. Please call 606-528-4121, extension 413. Thank you so much for coming out, and thank you to Pride for helping us sponsor this event.